What's up guys and welcome to another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. Whether you want to keep a record of your chats or share them with others, I will walk you through step-by-step tutorials on how to do it. No special tools needed, so let's dive in. So I have a conversation here which I had with ChatGPT. So assuming I want to save this conversation as a PDF, go to your keyboard and press Ctrl plus P to bring the print menu. Now go to Save as PDF. You click on it, choose the number of pages you want. If you want one page, whatever number of pages you want. In my case, I need all the pages. You can choose whether you want it as a portrait or landscape, however you want it. I want it as portrait. So we select portrait and choose the size you want, normally A4, and margin default, scale default, background graphics. You can choose to add a background graphics or not. I usually don't. So after going through all these settings, you click on save. It will open a file explorer dialog box, and you select where you want to save it. Mine, I'll choose document. And yes, that's it. So that's a simple tutorial on how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. Peace. Bye.